Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today we're gonna be doing a headlight teardown on Alfa Romeo Giulietta, so if you like the video, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing. Alright, so I already got my first problem. I heated the headlight inside the oven for 7 minutes at 100 degrees. Then I switched to this box because it's kind of risky to heat it up in the oven due to its size. However, I could not get glue to get soft. So I broke off some of these bigger pieces and I tested them in the oven. I heated them up to 150 degrees, then to 200 degrees, and this stuff will just not get soft. So this has me thinking that they probably used just the silicone to seal the headlights. This is somewhat of a bad news because the heat in this case is only gonna help us to soften up the plastics so they don't break. Alright, so just to summarize, I did my testing thoroughly and I've concluded that the headlights are in fact sealed using silicone. This is gonna make my job significantly harder. I gotta get all of this silicone out. Now the normal headlights are usually sealed using butyl rubber, which when heated up softens up and you can take the lens apart. In this case I'm gonna have to use a bunch of these picks because I have to get inside and scrape as much of this silicone out as I can. I've also created some of my own tools. You can see this one is at 90 degrees and it's gonna help me to get underneath the lens. It's essential that you do a good job here and that you get all of the glue out. If you don't, you won't be able to separate the lens and there's a huge chance that you might break or crack something. Okay, as you can see right here, I got most of this silicone out using this particular tool. I went all around the light and it took forever. Now I'm gonna use this tool which I made on my own. It's at 90 degrees and you can see it gets underneath the lens. So now again I gotta go all around the light to get the remaining silicone out. After 2-3 hours of tedious work, I can finally separate the lens. And there it is. However, I did do a little bit of damage, which I'm gonna show you a bit later on. To pull the lens off, you gotta undo this connector. Just press on the clip and pull the connector off. Here's the damage that I was talking about. I got a couple of these cracks around the headlight, but nothing too bad. But to be honest with you, this is impossible to do without at least light damage. Now, just to give you the heads up, before you start planning on putting the headlights back together, you gotta clean all of this silicone out. That's again gonna be a tedious job. You gotta scrape all of it off so the new sealant can fit in properly, and so you don't get the water inside the headlight. Alright, now it's time to remove the insert. We got a couple of screws that we gotta remove. There's one right there. Here's the second one. There's a third one. And the fourth one is right there. That's gonna be a T10 Torx. Alright, so there's our indicator. Now I'm just gonna pull the insert out. Alright, there it is. Now to remove the daily running lights, I'm just gonna push them right here. And now that section came out. And I'm gonna do the same with this black part. Alright, so there it is. While we are here, I'm also gonna show you how I'm gonna reseal the headlights. So I got my rubber butyl right here. I've heated it up just a little bit so it's nice and workable. And I can actually see how soft this is, and this is gonna be perfect for resealing these headlights. Now the goal here is to place this strip inside this plastic channel, and you can go either too thin or too thick. If you stretch it out too much, that is a potential spot where the water could get in. Again, if you apply it on too thick, you'll have trouble putting the lens back on, so you gotta find the happy middle. So just make sure that you got the unified strip. Even if you like overstretch it, just go back and put a little bit more. It is a forgiving material. Now after I apply this all around the headlight, I'm gonna put the headlight back in the box. I'm gonna heat it up again for about 10 minutes at 100 degrees so it gets soft, and I'm gonna put the lens back on. Also want to share my experience with you regarding this job. If you are planning on doing this yourself, make sure that you got a lot of patience and that you got the right tools. It basically took me 5 or 6 hours to take these two headlights apart, so if you can send it to professionals, it would be better to do that. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.